Another thing on German cars. The caliper anchor bolts are these focus inverted Torx. And if you're like me, I don't have one that big yet. I'm going to get one, but I don't have one. Freak out and go buy a bunch of new tools. You don't need them. A 6.14 mil will fit on there. Like that. And you pick up one of these lovely long flex head Olsa 3/8 ratchets and break it loose. If you're doing anything with a long socket like that and you pull straight down, it has a tendency to want to walk off. So if you're doing this, this is where the flex head comes in. Pull it more toward you, and then the force is transferred more to the bolt head. Like that. And it won't slip off. Maybe easier to show on the bottom one. Angle over like this, and then lean on it. Sorry, it's shaky as these are very tight. Like that. Tough. Thin. So if you want any of these tools I just showed you, and go check out their website, olsatools.com. Use my promo code OTNORM. Save yourself 10%. Why not? On already reasonably priced stuff that's really, really good. I'm very happy with it so far. So hope that helped.